We're doing if-else day one in class. Note, I created tests for this program. Select the check mark and run the test when done. Now, if we're going to use this test to see if it runs correctly, we got to pay attention to all the little details. The output is enter a number, 25 is odd, divisible by 5, divisible by 3, but not by 4. That is false. It is not divisible by 3. Another run of the program, enter number 21. 21 is odd, not divisible by 5. This is divisible by 3 and it is not divisible by 4. That is actually true. We can divide 21 by 3, but we can't divide by 4. 1, have the user enter number, decide if the number is odd or even by using an if else. So I'm going to actually save it so it says and, not end. So we already did the entering stuff when we entered the number into the variable num, and we're going to decide if it's odd or even. So if num mod 2 is equal to 0, we're going to do system.out print line. If I look up the output, it's going to be num is even if it's divisible by 2. And then we're going to go else system out print line num is odd. That should work. Oh yeah. If I want to run it now, I'd have to comment out this right here. Run 5. 5 is odd. Run 6. 6 is even. Perfect. To determine if the entered number is divisible by 5 using an if-else. Code here. So if num mod 5 is equal to 0, system out print line, and I think it's just divisible by 5 period. If we notice, if we go up to the output, there's a period there. Else system out print line not divisible by 5, and we got the period. Perfect. Run 25. 25 is odd, divisible by 5. Run 26, even, not divisible by 5. Perfect. Let's uncomment this and notice that we have a static method right here. Determine if the entered number is divisible by 3 but not divisible by 4. Let's go down here. We're going to go public and static Boolean, because if you look at the output, it says divisible by 3 but not by 4. That's true. So it's returning a Boolean. Div int num. Let's, what should we do? We're going to go if num mod 3 is equal to 0. If that's true, we can continue on and say, well, if num mod 4 is not equal to 0, because we don't want it to be divisible. If both of those are true, then we want to return true. And then if either one of those are false, then we just return false. Run, and let's run with the two given numbers, 25 and 21. So 25 is odd, divisible by 5, divisible by 3, but not by 4, false, and I need to widen this just a little bit. Run 21, not 25, 21, and looks like we have the right output. Let's go run the tests. And we have a whole bunch of them, 24, 15, and 20, and we'll see how we do. Run tests. Passed, 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 passed. We are good to go.